Hi everyone, I'm Susan, your pharmacy practitioner. Today, we will talk about the high blood pressure or the hypertension. Lifestyle changes can help lower blood pressure with hypertension. Many who make these changes will still need to take medicine. If hypertension is not treated, it can cause another health condition like heart diseases, kidney diseases, and stroke. People with high blood pressure, usually 180/180 or higher, can experience symptoms like severe headaches and chest. These activities changes can help prevent and lower high blood pressure. Do: eat more vegetables, sit less, be more physically active, which include walking, running, swimming, dancing, or activities that build strength. Lose weight if you're overweight or obese. Take medicines as prescribed by your healthcare professionals. Keep appointment with your healthcare professionals. Don't do: eat too much salty food, eat food high in saturated or trans fat, smoke or tobacco, drink too much alcohol, miss or share medications. See you in my next video about the medication for high blood pressure. Thanks for watching. Please do like and share and subscribe our channel. Bye!